Hey everyone, how's it going? So a few people have requested me and asked about a pollen filter on a Ford Transit. So this is a 125 T430 chassis. It's a 2002 model. So this applies to most of the models from 2000 right up to about 2006. Now, in order to find that filter, it's a bit difficult on these. It's not like the Mercedes or some of the newer Transits where it's just easily located here. For this Transit, you bend down here and just above the injectors over here, see that there, that cover, that's where your filter is located. I don't know why they tucked it up so far in, but that's where it's found. So what you want to do is you want to pull off the plastic cover, and then you have access to the filter. And that's the filter there. So just take note of the orientation. This part here with the flap goes in first. So this pushes in first, then your cover goes over that. Don't know if you can see the part number, but this is a genuine Ford filter. T4FWA. It's a fairly small filter, so it shouldn't cost too much. So this is what the air duct looks like, where the pollen filter goes in. Again, if anyone needs reference, just bend down below this cowl here, and just above the injectors is where it's located. So now we'll go ahead and put the filter back. We'll put the old one back just for demonstration purposes. So you just want to go in like so, and push it in. Once that's in, we can go ahead and put this cover back in. So notice how this cover's got those notches. Those notches just slot into here, to those slots there. So while pulling it out, you just have to lift it on one side and it'll just pop out, as I showed you earlier. So similarly goes in like that. So notice how all the tabs are put there perfectly. So make sure you've done that for the bottom and the top. And that's how you change your pollen filter on a Ford Transit, on a Mark 6 Ford Transit. For the late model Fords, that's Mark 7, you actually change it from here. There's an air duct in here. I'll put up a picture now so you'll see that. That's how you do the Mark 7. And from there on in, the later model ones are fairly straightforward. Some of them, the connects are in the glove box, which you should see now, and others are in different locations, but we won't worry about that at this moment. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll try and make more content like this, helping others out. Just for the sake of comparison, this is a Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 2008. This is where the pollen filter is located, so it's literally just right near the airbox. All you have to do to change this pollen filter is just push this down, and this just pulls out. As simple as that. So it literally takes less than 20 seconds to change a pollen filter on a Mercedes printer. Just thought I'd show you that in case anyone else was curious. These filters are fairly large, and that's what it looks like. Thanks everyone, see ya.